Did you know Google receives over 63,000 searches per second on any given day? Hi everyone, Stuart here, welcome back. Today I want to answer the questions, what is SEO and how does it work? And also, how can SEO benefit small businesses? Let me know in the comments down below why you want to learn about search engine optimization. I'd love to know. Now before we get started, and if you're interested in sales, marketing and digital solutions for small businesses, then make sure you smash the subscription button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Alright, with that being said guys, let's dive straight into it. So what is SEO? Well, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now, SEO is the process of getting traffic from search results on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo by organic and natural methods. For example, if you type in a service, a request, or a question, or anything into Google, you will notice that a bunch of results will appear. Now, the purpose of Google search or any search engine is to satisfy the user's intent, meaning that Google wants to show the most relevant information based on your search query. As you can see, the first result produces Google paid ads. Now this is what we call search engine marketing, SEM. If you want to learn more about search engine marketing, I'll put up a link in the top right corner which will basically explain what search engine marketing is and how it can benefit your business. Now below this ad, or below the ads, we have a knowledge graph snippet which Google has pulled from another website and believes that this is the information that you are searching for. Below this we have questions that are similar to your query, and below this we have natural or organic results. Now the top organic listings are websites that Google believes have the best information based on what you searched. These websites are involved in search engine optimization and therefore rank high on Google's search engine. Now each page has about 10 organic listings on Google, and you will notice that if you go down below that there are hundreds of pages on Google of organic listings. However, very few people go past the first page on Google, as the majority of people will find the information that they're looking for on the first page of Google. So where do you want to be? Well, obviously you want to be on the first page of Google. However, ideally you want to be in the top 3 organic results, which produce about 70% of the traffic. This is why you want to be optimized for Google. Now, how does SEO or search engine optimization work? Well, search engine optimization is evolving and certain factors continue to change. There are over 200 factors that need to be considered when optimizing for Google's algorithms. However, there are a few core factors that will help your website rank high on search engines like Google. Your website content must be relevant and the website should have a fast load time. And it also must provide a good user experience. These are the most important factors for search engine optimization in 2019. Now, if you're a small business owner, how can you benefit from search engine optimization, SEO? Well, 72% of customers who search locally online visited a store within 5 miles. Also, over the past year, Google Near Me searches, so for example, restaurants near me, have doubled. This essentially means that people are looking on Google to find local and small businesses. Therefore, if you sell a product or a service, it is becoming more important than ever to have a presence online with a website that has been optimized for search engines, especially Google. Now, this is how you dramatically increase your leads and sales as a small business. However, you've got to make sure that you can rank high and in the top 3 listings on Google. And there you have it, you now know what search engine optimization is, SEO, and how it works. Now if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.